Welcome to the dynamic world of YouTube automation, where your channel can flourish without you ever appearing on camera, just like what you see here. If you've ever envisioned generating a substantial income from YouTube, where some creators earn tens of thousands monthly, you're in the right place. This course is your comprehensive guide to success, walking you through the essentials of monetizing your YouTube channel efficiently and effectively. Think of this as your shortcut from point A, where you are now, to point Z, the ultimate vision you have for your faceless YouTube channel. To achieve this, there are a few critical steps you'll need to master. Step 1. The blueprint to monetization. We'll reveal the tried and true strategies for building a monetized channel quickly. Understanding YouTube's requirements is essential, setting the stage for steady growth that maximizes your earning potential in record time. While everyone's journey is unique, I'll provide a universal method you can customize to fit your goals. Step 2. Finding the perfect niche. Choosing the right niche is key to your success. You'll learn how to identify topics that are not only in demand, but also broad enough to generate endless content ideas. A well-chosen niche ensures a steady pipeline of videos that keep your audience engaged and your channel growing. Step 3. Crafting engaging scripts. With today's AI tools, script writing is easier than ever. I'll introduce you to a 4-step formula for creating captivating scripts that connect with your audience effortlessly. Step 4. Recording voiceovers and adding visuals. You'll explore innovative techniques for creating stunning visuals, whether it's through slideshows, animated graphics, whiteboard animations, or other creative formats. We'll also dive into AI-driven tools and software that can automate these processes, weighing the benefits and limitations of each approach. Step 5. The video creation process. Watch as I guide you step by step through the process of creating a video from scratch. You won't just hear about the techniques, I'll show you how to apply them in real time, sharing tips and tricks that bring your videos to life. Step 6. Boosting views and engagement. Discover how to enhance your videos with captions, graphics, and other tactics to keep viewers hooked from start to finish. Key metrics like watch time and click-through rate (CTR) will be front and center as we discuss strategies to optimize them for maximum success. Step 7. Early monetization strategies. Why wait for 1,000 subscribers to start earning? I'll show you alternative ways to monetize your channel from the start, even without brand deals or ad revenue. These proven methods have worked for me across multiple channels, and they'll work for you too. Step 8. Automating and outsourcing. True YouTube automation means eventually offloading tasks to free up your time. Whether you're ready to outsource from day one or plan to scale later, I'll show you how to effectively delegate work using AI tools, virtual assistants, and other resources without breaking the bank. Step 9. Mastering click-worthy thumbnails. Your thumbnail is your first impression. If it doesn't grab attention, your video won't get clicked. I'll teach you how to design eye-catching thumbnails that elevate your CTR to over 5% and even higher as you refine your skills. This course is more than just a series of lessons. It's a launchpad for your YouTube journey. Whether you're a beginner starting from scratch or an experienced creator looking to improve, you'll gain the tools and insights needed to achieve faceless YouTube success. So buckle up. Together, we'll break down each step to help you monetize your channel as quickly as possible and build a thriving, automated YouTube empire.
Guy. And tell you the secret at the end of the video. Make sure you work until the end. Hey Guy, I showed you the next secret. Now. So this channel 1.5 million. 1.2 million subscriber on the one part for sick video. Yes, so hit our goals. 2, okay view, yes. Nothing, so him. So his wife. Yes. So you see. Yes, he sold everything in America, yeah. He sold only famous people, yeah. So let's see design the perfect boy. Let's see a movie of him. And we have a world never been here before. And so, is it a spooky time? Ever. Video London Brace. So you can make money by affiliate by Amazon. Yes. If he did follow us, so he was a key. Richard Border, yes. You can sell this book, yeah, okay. Yes, you see, his channel and Social Blade, it is 20K per month. 230K per year. Yes, very easy for you, so. Just do it. I hope you enjoy this video. And if you like, and please like and subscribe my channel. I will make the next video for you. And next time, we need better and better. And review many secrets for you.